Hello, children. Welcome back to another session of our wonderful body. Children, we have been learning about our body parts, what our body parts help us to do. So, we have learned about what our hands and legs can do, and we have learned about the sense organs in our body. Now, here's a small activity. We begin with this activity. Imagine that you are in a garden. Write the names of 6 things that you see there. So, what are the 6 things that you see in your garden? So, you have to name all those 6 things, like I see trees in the garden. So, you will write I see trees. I see flowers. Then there are more things that you can see. You can see birds chirping. You can see fruits in the trees. You can also see bees on the flower. You can see butterflies roaming about. And you can also see the green grass all around. So you can write all these things in the 6 blanks that are given. Let's continue with this chapter. Now write the name of the sense organ that helps you enjoy the following. Now you have some pictures over here which tell you something. So there's a picture of a radio, and what is done with a radio? What do? You hear a radio. So what you have to do? You have to name the sense organ that helps you do this work. So a radio helps you to hear, and with which sense organ do you hear? It is the ear that works here. Now these girls are singing. So they are singing good song, and you can also hear with it. And the sense organ that is used is, you can see them. So it is eyes. So your eyes can see that these girls and boys are singing or saying something. Yes, they are singing. Let's continue. Put each one of the following food items in your mouth. Color the correct box to tell its taste. Now, you have some food items mentioned over here, and some taste is also shown. Sweet means meetha, sour means khatta, bitter means kadwa, and salty means the taste of salt, that is namkeen. Now we have to say what these food items taste like. The first item we have is the chocolate. So what is the taste of the chocolate? It is sweet. Neem leaves, it is bitter. Lemon, it is sour, khatta hota hai. Fruit cake is also sweet. Raw mango, it is sour. Cheese sandwich, it is salty. So these are the correct answers or correct feelings of the taste that you find it when you put these things in your mouth. So your tongue tells you what these taste like. Now, did you know that, look at your tongue in the mirror. Can you see little bumps on it? These are called taste buds. So you will find a lot of bumps in your tongue when you stand in front of a mirror and take out your tongue. You will see a lot of ups and downs in your tongues. Those are called the taste buds. They help you to know the taste of the food that you eat. Now, there's a small fun activity. Recite the poem with actions. So when you are doing the actions, all your body parts will be learnt easily. I have 2 hands to clap with. Then you clap your hands. 1 nose with which to smell. Then sniff like a dog does. And even when you tend to smell something coming from a far off place, you tend to sniff. So sniff. I have 1 head to think with. Then tap your head. 2 lungs that work quite well. Take a deep breath. I have two eyes that let me see. Then point to your eyes and show it that you have two eyes. I have two legs to walk. Then walk in a place. Then keep going from one place to another, and you will be helped to know that your legs can walk. I have two ears that help me hear. And then cup hands to ears. Then you hold your ears and say, yes, my ears can hear. A mouth with which to talk. And then point to your mouth and say, I have a mouth with which I can talk. Now children, this is all in this chapter, and we will meet in a next class with something new. So till then, wait for something new and have a happy learning. Till then, bye-bye.